travel to cool Manchester, a parish where tradition meets progress. Representing this remarkable parish, please welcome Melissa FLINCH.
Hi, hello. It's me, the sun. Me here to the whole I will not complain about my recent increase in heat. Please be advised, I the whole I will not make me do it. Hey, you better find John now. Hey, not even water can call me. Cause me are the original golden maize sunshine. The real sunshine girl. And me run things. But nowadays when me over Jamaica, all me need sunglasses on a bright. And we are try outshine. You forget to use a little that. From where I stand on a barely a pebble, bow to the name Jamrock. But this is 64, me I gotta teach now lesson 4 and mash up the thermostat. Every time I set the temperature, when I make it more hot, aliyah in the water, 1 more degree. When it's sharp, when it feel, 1 more degree. Can't mechanical island outshine me, let me turn up the heat. 1 more degree in a disaster. Who still a dance to the beat? When life gets sour, who still a smile sweet? Jamaica, dominate every scene, now no snow. And a bobsled team, every blink when me blink. 1 more degree, watch them. Miracles and them are singing with me. Hear them now? But 1 more degree. What you say? Say it with your chest now. 1 more time if you're bad. Look here, anytime when you try for your ocean, I got turn up the heat. 1 more degree. Aye. When I remember one light up the place like Capleton Fireman, like Junagan Flagman. What's this sunshine girl? Them go win Australia today. Hold on. Me I get a call. Golden May sunshine, good morning. Alaska. I'm gonna have to call you back, all right? Yes, all right. Me not call them back. You see all uno? Me not show shade. And me not go lie. Uno kind of melt me heart. Uno feel me eye. In the darkest days, uno hold your head high. And me I learn the patois just for the pound side. Uno make me work double time for hot up the place. Alaska call, but this is my space. So remember the love when me have for Jamrock. The next time you feel me, they kiss your neck back. And then, uno go put me in a uno flag. Me can't stop kidding with teeth. But if you don't try outshine me, never turn up the heat. 1 more degree!
Keep the applause going for Miss Manchester, Melissa FLINCH. What a set of ladies talented. Well, next, we celebrate Saint Elizabeth, affectionately known as the Breadbasket Parish of Jamaica. Representing this proud parish, please welcome Moyan Reed.
Rebecca, Ashley, have a wonderful day at school, my darlings. Mwah. Whew. So my nieces are off to school. The goat skin is ready for the gombe drum. My YouTube video is ready to be uploaded, and the hydraulic drawing has been submitted. I can finally take a well-deserved break and have a sip of my soursop matcha. Una couldn't clear the truth. Yes, you may talk. Una coming on my yard, and nobody couldn't clear them truth. Nobody couldn't say good evening. It's okay though. That's all right. As you know, I am Jamaican. We're naturally warm, hospitable, and welcoming, yes? Would you like a sip of my beverage? Oh, I brewed it myself. As you can see, I am a boundless Jamaican woman from the strong and resilient roots of St. Elizabeth to the crown I intend to take here tonight in Kingston and St. Andrew. what? I like your vibe. Come and spend some time with me. Siri, play my Home Alone playlist. You know this one. You better hurry up and get ready to go. If you want to ride on the glory crown with the Savior and his chosen crowd, you better hurry up and get ready to go. I know you know this one. Yeah. Where did you go? Don't you need my love, baby? Why don't you come here and let us play? When are you going to come my way? I have to go, you hear? But this was so much fun. I'm gonna leave you with one more song. Siri?
One thing more than them feel understood.
Hey!
Good girl, good girl, good.
Miss St. Elizabeth Moyen Reed.